Are you looking for a bi-directional skin tool? In this video, I will show you the 5 best bi-directional skin tool based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Launch X431V Plus Pro 4.0 2021. With this diagnostic tool's active test, you can output the command into the ECU in order to turn on/off actuators, to find faults in the subsystems of your car effortlessly, without using the vehicle's control. Operating skills, which mainly introduces how to use diagnostic tool to solve common faults of some models, such as resetting BMW brake warning lights. With only one click, you can scan your car's detailed version information. Also all diagnostic trouble codes and live data stream of full electrical control units. If needed, you can only view the diagnostic information of the selected systems in the forms of checks. The 4th product on the list is the MaxiZs MS906BT. MaxiZs MS906BT is the latest addition to the MaxiZs product line of advanced wireless diagnostic devices. The device is based on the Android operating system, featured with the best possible coverage of OE-level diagnostics and ECU coding capability. As one of AUTOL Advanced OBD2 diagnostic tool, AUTOL MS906BT Automated Diagnostic Tool has the same diagnostic functions as MaxiZs MS908S, which supports ECU. The 3rd product on the list is the ThinkCar Diagnostic Scan Tool. ThinkTool Diagnostic Tool gives you what ThinkCar Scanner offers. It features bidirectional control to request information or command an actuator to perform specific tests, such as turning the fuel pump on and off, cycling the AC clutch on and off, performing an evaporative emissions leak test, fast troubleshooting your car, not simply by reading codes, reading live data. ThinkTool Automotive Diagnostic Tool allows you to reprogram adaptive data for certain components after making repairs or replacements, providing ways for the issues of drivability, fuel efficiency, power loss, fault codes, durability of mechanical parts. The 2nd product on the list is the AUTOL MaxiZs MS906TS Diagnostic Scan Tool. Comes with advanced ECU coding function. ECU coding allows you to establish a data link to the electronic control system of the test vehicle via the VCI device for vehicle diagnosis, service or coding. You can operate functional tests, retrieve vehicle diagnostic information such as trouble codes, event codes and live data, and perform ECU coding for various vehicle control systems such as engine, transmission, ABS and more. But it does not have ECU programming capability. AUTOL MaxiZs MS906TS TPMS service tool comes with comprehensive TPMS functions. It features embedded TPMS antenna to activate all known TPMS sensors, one-step check TPMS sensors health status. TPMS diagnose to read and clear DTCs, and show DTC description on the screen. TPMS sensors relearn and program MX sensors. The 1st product on the list is the Launch X431 Pad V Automotive Scan Tool. Launch X431 Pad V Scan Tool provides step-by-step repair guidance for technicians. The function of guiding the use of the product to prevent the car setting caused by wrong operation. Can work with wireless tire pressure diagnostic to achieve the features of TPMS activation, programming and learning. Display the entire system through the topology map to glance all the modules with faults, which is easy to locate faults and causes. Color-coded topology displays all system status in one page and structure of communication between modules. With topological diagram function, it can display the entire system through the topology map to glance all the modules with faults, which is easy to locate faults and causes. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.